Cell splitting. Cell splitting is used to increase the frequency reused concepts in mobile communication systems. We know that the mobile communication frequency range is 800 above 800 megahertz signal. Above 800 megahertz signal is used to transmit the and receive the mobile communication signals. Even if you go for FM radio signals, FM radio frequency range is that is 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz, and mobile communication frequency range that is above 800 megahertz. So this is the mobile communication frequency range. Here you can see this if you go for one cell site. So this is the, I am assuming this is the cell site, original cell site. Just assume this is the cell site and this is the coverage area. So this, the coverage area is, I am assuming here it is 1 kilometer coverage area, and the number of users for this is, that is 500 members users are there. Here it is having particular frequency range they will assign. Just assume that that is 800 megahertz to that is 830 megahertz. So in between, just assume there are 500 users are there. Just assumption. But I want to increase because of the signal strength, weak signal strength, and because of valleys and hills, you may get the, that is weak signal while transmitting a signal. So this is the transmitter, and here receiver is there, this end. So while communication between two users, that is here, just assume this is the cell site, this is the cell site. So here the transmitter is there and here the receiver is there. Because of long cell coverage area, long cell site, so here the signal strength may be decreased because of valleys and hills. So in that case, and also I need to increase the number of users. So that's the reason the original cell may be that is splitting. Original cell is splitting. With that, we can. This is the original cell. So again, this cell may be, that is again splitting. Original cell may be splitting, and the new cell here again we are using the number of users. We can increase the number of users, and frequency can be reused. The same frequency can be reused with particular distance. So with this reused concept, with this splitting, we can increase the that is number of users, and we can increase the signal strength. We can increase the signal strength here, because here you can see this. So that's why we are splitting the original cell into micro cells here. So theoretically we can, that is practically we can say this here, this is the cell and the original cell is splitting into, that is different splits. In this, after splitting we can use that is same number of users here, and here also the same number of users. With this we may increase the number of users. Of course here in this case the handoff technique is required more time. Handoff means we know that while moving the user from one cell site to another cell site. So here you can see this is the one cell site, and this is the one more cell site. I am assuming one more cell site here. So this is one more cell site. So while the user is moving from here to here, present cell site to next cell site, the handoff process is required. This call may be handed over to the next cell site by using MTSO, mobile telephone switching office will take care of that. So the handoffs, more number of handoffs are required, but here in this case with this we can increase the signal strength. The coverage area will be strong. Of course, it may be decreased, but the signal strength may be increased. So you can see this large cells are replaced with smaller cells with cell splitting. So, but here it should be required to maintain the minimum co-channel reused Q. Quality factor is depends on that is D by R again. Here D means distance between two channels and R means the radius of the cell site. So if D is more, the quality factor may be increased. If D is less, the quality factor may be decreased. Here you can see this. This is the macro cell and this is the micro cell and this is the again third stage. You can one more cell is there, pico cell. So we can see this advantages increase the capacity of the channel considerably and enhance the dependability and frequency reuse factor also can increase. Signal to noise ratio will increase and interference can reduce. So those are the advantages while splitting the original cell. Thank you. If you have a doubts and suggestions, please send to me.